Hey, my name is Itzik Gan-Baruch and I'm a developer advocate at GitLab. Today we are excited to introduce GitLab Secrets Manager now in public beta, and I'm going to show you how you can keep your secrets secure while simplifying your workflow. Storing secrets in CI/CD variables keeps pipelines moving, but risk grows over time. More pipelines and environments mean more jobs get access to secrets they don't need. GitLab Secrets Manager, now in public beta, manages credentials in the same platform that runs your code and pipelines. Secrets live inside your existing project and group structure, governed by the same access control you use to build and deploy. Each one is scoped to the job that needs it. So if a credential leaks, cleanup is limited to the systems the job could actually reach. Let's see how to enable it in a project. Go to the project or group settings, turn on Secrets Manager, and define who can access it. Then, under Secure Secrets Manager, users with the right permissions can add secrets, set the environment and branch scope, and optionally add a rotation reminder. Here is how Secrets Manager works in a pipeline. The Verify DB Password test job declares a secret under the secrets keyword. When the job runs, the secret is retrieved from Secrets Manager, written to a temporary file, and its path is provided as an environment variable. Passing the path instead of the value reduces exposure in sub-processes, crash dumps, and telemetry. At runtime, the verification job retrieves the secret and validates it. Teams can manage secrets right in GitLab and scope each one to the job that needs it. We can't wait for you to get started storing your secrets in the new GitLab Secrets Manager.